Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorials. In this episode, we'll see how to set up your food, drinks, and accommodation in your price list. Let's go to Financial, Price List, and Default Price List. And we click on button Add New Item. The type will be food and drink. You define a name, for example, buffet dinner, or lunch on the boat, or the cost of a beer or a soft drink, anything that you offer in your dive center. For example, soda. The description is not mandatory, but you can always add it. You can enter the price, for example, €2, and as usual, you can define the VAT. Don't forget to save it, and you'll be redirected to your price list. Now let's talk about accommodation. If you offer accommodation because you manage or you own a dive resort, or if you offer accommodation to your customers through other hotels, bed and breakfasts, and other resorts, you can set your price list here. So click on Add New Item and type accommodation. If you offer accommodation to your customer and the accommodation is in a nearby hotel or bed and breakfast or resort, it has to be clear in the name what kind of accommodation it is and where it is. Type a description of what's included. Enter a price for the room for one night, and define if there's a VAT as usual. You can also add packages. For example, do you offer a discount for 7 nights or for 5 nights? You decide which package you want to offer. For example, I set up that after 5 nights, the new price is €60. You can also decide that the customer will not receive any discount until he gets to the 5th night. In that case, you need to tick this checkbox here. If you scroll down, you will see that for the first 4 nights, the customer will pay €65, and only starting from the 5th night, he will start paying €60. You can add as many packages as you like, and don't forget to save. Thank you for watching.